that never stops changing. Leaders are not born, they are made. Made through passion, made through purpose, made through education that transforms potential into power. Welcome to UKS Institute of Management Studies and Research, where learning meets leadership. Here, every student steps in with a dream and walks out with direction. Because at UKS Institute, we don't just teach business, we create business leaders. The AICTE approved PGDM program at UKS Institute offers specializations in finance, marketing and human resources, AI and business analytics, each designed to build visionaries who lead industries, not just work in them. Learn the power of finance, master the art of communication, lead teams, drive innovation, and build your empire with knowledge that creates impact. UKS isn't a classroom, it's a leadership lab, where strategy, analytics, and ambition come alive. Excellence here isn't the goal, it's the standard. UKS students have earned accolades at intercollegiate events, business fests, and corporate challenges. Our alumni hold key positions in top companies, leading teams, launching startups, and shaping industries across India and beyond.
Currently, I'm working with Credence Analytics, a SaaS-based organization where I lead the business development for Middle East and Africa as a regional director. I can proudly say that UKS Institute has been instrumental in shaping my career and global outlook.
Each success story began with a single step, right here within these walls. But what makes UKS Institute truly special is not just what you learn, it's how you feel while learning. A campus filled with energy, inclusion, and inspiration. Faculty who guide you not just as teachers, but as mentors. This is more than a management institute. It's a place that believes in you.
Before joining UKS, I was unsure about my path. But now, I know exactly where I'm headed. The experience and mentorship here have made all the difference.
This college gave me the courage to speak, to lead, and to dream bigger. UKS isn't just an institute, it's a transformation.
UKS gave me clarity, confidence, and a path to follow. Today, I'm not just chasing success, but I'm living it.
And choosing UKS was the best decision of my life.
Located in Kurla East, the very heart of Mumbai, UKS Institute stands where opportunity never sleeps. Surrounded by the city's corporate powerhouses, with easy connectivity through trains, metro and highways, UKS Institute offers more than convenience. It offers connection to the business capital of India. When your college stands in the center of Mumbai, your career stands at the center of opportunity.
Our PGDM programs is not about books. It's about creating business leaders for tomorrow. With corporate projects, live internships, and relevant placements, we make sure the students are career ready for tomorrow.
At UKS, we measure the success of a student with their positive attitude, the approach, and their professionalism for solving the industry-ready problems. We say the students are succeeded when they perform and present our institute in a very effective manner. So that notifies us with their great success and the message and motivation to our organization.
Mentoring is not limited to academics alone at our institute. Every student is guided personally by a mentor who understands their strengths, their weaknesses, and their goals. Mentors regularly interact with students, help them plan their studies, motivate them during their difficult times, and guide them in their career decisions. Because of this close support system, students feel more confident, they feel more focused, which is clearly seen in their academic performance and their overall growth.
Your education is not just about having numbers or grades. It's about having growth and purpose, which is unstoppable.
One day, you'll stand tall, confident, capable, unstoppable. You look back and remember the mentors who believed in you, the lessons that challenged you, and the place that transformed your tomorrow. That place was UKS Institute. Join UKS Institute of Management Studies and Research. Leadership excellence, future ready. Because we don't just educate minds, we ignite leaders. Admissions open now. Visit uks.bunts.edu.in in the heart of Mumbai, where leaders are born.